Welcome back to the next lecture from this course on how to use Groovefunnels to create funnels for your online business. In the previous lecture we had an overview of the dashboard, and now we are going to discuss about actually creating a page or a site, how it's called in Groovefunnels. So this is an option that you will also have in the quick links section right after you log into your dashboard, but it's also an option which you can basically find in the apps section, which is in the Groove Pages option in the left side menu. And if you are going to click on either of these, the icon in the quick link or the Groove Pages options in the left side menu, basically it will open the sites or page part of the Groovefunnels platform, where you can create the pages, edit them, and so on, right? For the free, basically for the free version of Groovefunnels, you can create free sites, okay, for the free version. And how you do that, you will see that you have some options here. It actually tells you how many websites you can still create. You click on the new site button, which is in the right top corner, as you have seen. You have simple pages that you can create, complete sites, funnels, and templates. And for single pages, maybe you want to create a landing page, you just have to select a category. Let's say you want for courses and trainings, and you can see if there are any templates or so on. Okay, start from scratch, or you just press start building. So you have the option to start from scratch if you want to, but we have selected courses and trainings, and we click on the button start building. We give it a name, test 1, press the button start building, and we are going to start to build. Okay, so this is how the editor for the page actually looks like. You can see that in the upper part of the screen you have a menu, okay, where you can select how you want to see the page, okay, on different devices. The undo or redo buttons, the preview buttons as you know them, to publish the page after you have completed the editing part, and so on. And in the left side menu you will actually have all the options that you need to build your page: blocks, elements, pages, funnels, pop-ups, stats. Okay, and you will probably start with blocks, and you can see that you have designed blocks or actual wireframes, okay, which are like categories of blocks. And we go into the design block section, and let's say that we want all blocks. We select something for a landing page. We want to add a headline, and we just drag and drop the headline. Okay, it's as easy as that. And let's say we've added the headline, and we want to see other elements. Let's go back to blocks. Let's say that after the headline we want to add content. We go in the content blocks. We want to add this here. We just drag and drop it. As you can see, we have for the courses pages, okay, we have different blocks which are predefined. And let's say we want to add this one just below, and you will see how it looks in a few seconds, sorry. Okay, and if we scroll down, this is how it looks like so far. Okay, we can actually preview this page. We click in the upper menu on the preview icon, and we are going to be able to preview the page, and this is how the page looks like. Okay, pretty simple so far, but as you can see, it's quick. Okay, it's very quick to create a page with Groovefunnels. And let's see what other elements we can add. We are going to access the elements section, and from the elements section we can add like different containers, okay, layouts, text headings, list containers, buttons, media like YouTube video. Maybe we want to add a demo video here, okay, and we can just add like a YouTube video. After we have added the video, as you can see, it has been added into an existing block already. If we don't want it here and we want to put it in a different block, we can just delete it. You have the three small icons in the left top corner, but this is for you just to see how this works. Okay, you can duplicate it, you can delete it if you want to, you can move it in a different place, right? But for now, let's leave it here. And for the sake of the example, after you click on the element on the actual video, you will see that you have the options for editing the actual element or video popping up in the right side. And we have design. Okay, so we have two main options: to edit the design and to configure the actual element. And to edit the design, you have a lot of options here. I won't go into a lot of detail with everything. You just have to play around and see which is the good fit for you. For the you have design for the different states of the video. As you know, a video, for example, from YouTube has different states. You can add like the global style. You can change the text, the background, border, animation, delay for playing, and so on. And you have custom attributes as well, size, and everything that you need. And if we go to the configuration of the video, we just have to put the video ID here from YouTube. We can enable the autoplay if you want to, if we want the video to start as soon as somebody ends up on the page, or hide we can hide the control if we want our user or visitor not to be able to use the controls and just leave the video to play. And we can control the aspect ratio as well. But enough with that. Basically, this is how you add new elements. As you can see, it's very simple. You have different elements over here in the left side menu, and some very interesting elements that Groovefunnels offers is the fact that you have these mockups like devices that you can add. Maybe you want to showcase a software or something like that. For example, you just take the desktop and let's put it here. Okay, and this is how it looks like. Okay, it's pretty cool. And then you can just configure it, you know, put an image, choose an image. I just want to show you how this works. Let's just choose free stock photos, browser. Bear with me for a few seconds. And okay, we don't have exactly what we have searched for, but it doesn't matter. Okay, click to add to my files. And it's uploading the photo. Okay, let's just check my files. Hasn't been uploaded yet. Okay, it has been uploaded. We just select it. Okay, fixed aspect ratio, update dimensions, we select, and we wait for the program for Groovefunnels to actually process the photo. And you will see how cool this is. Okay, in a few moments. Update. We click on the update button and we wait, and this is it, right? We have a mock-up with a desktop or a screen, a desktop PC or a screen, and we can see the photo inside. Okay, pretty cool, right? So we have different elements like this that we can use. You just go ahead, choose the ones that you want, and insert them into the blocks or the blocks that you already have, or create new blocks. And then just after you are finished with the page, click on the preview button and you are going to see you are going to see the final result, how the page looks like. As you can see, we have a lot of elements here, so you pretty much have everything that you need in order to build a landing page or a sales page, because you also have the integrations with ActiveCampaign, Aweber, a lot of integrations with email services. And if we scroll up, as you can see, we have in order for you to build a sales page to actually sell, we have the e-commerce module in the element section with the Groovesell checkout, the Groovesell normal OK button, and the checkout embed. Maybe you want to use a different payment processor like PayPal or Stripe or something else. Okay, so as you can see, you have everything that you need to build a landing page or a sales page, and it's pretty easy to use the element section to build up your page. Now, thank you very much, and we are looking forward to see you in the next lecture, where we are going to discuss about another very powerful feature that Groovefunnels offers.